Welcome back, children. In this video, we are going to study lesson 3, Clever Tenani Raman, and this is first part of this lesson. This story is from past history. It is about the king Krishnadevarai and Tenani Raman, his court jester, who belonged to the ancient Indian kingdom of Vijayanagar at Hampi in Karnataka. So, dear children, this story is about a king called Krishnadevarai and who was the king of Vijayanagar, which is at Hampi in Karnataka, and Tenani Raman was his court jester. A jester is a person who entertains everybody with his jokes, riddles and story. And Tenani Raman was the court jester of King Krishnadevarai, and he was very wise. He was well known for his wisdom. Now I'm going to read the text of the book. I want you all to repeat after me. Raja Varma was the most famous artist in Krishnadevarai's court. The king loved his paintings. He was so pleased with Raja Varma that he wanted to reward him. So Raja Varma was a well-known and skilled artist at Krishnadevarai's court, and the king was very impressed with his work. He was extremely happy with his painting and he wanted to reward him something. He wanted to give him some gift or give him some prize. One day, the king suddenly said to him, "Ask for anything and it will be yours." The gentle and shy artist did not know what to say. He did not want anything. He only wished to be left alone to carry on with his painting. He thought hard, but before he could reply, the king snapped his finger and said, "I know what to give you. You will be my chief minister from today." So, one day what happened? The king, who was very happy with Raja Varma's painting, he wanted to give him something. He wanted to give a award to Raja Varma. So he asked Raja Varma, "Tell me, what do you want?" But Raja Varma, he was very gentle and very shy person, and he did not want any gift from king. He just wanted to be left alone, and he just wanted to do his painting. Then Raja Varma thought hard what he should ask from king, but before he could reply, the king snapped his finger and said, "I know what to give you. You will be my chief minister from today." So the king decided to reward Raja Varma with the post of chief minister at his court. This is a picture of snapped. We all know what is snap. Snapping is making noise with our fingers. This shocked Raja Varma. He did not want to accept the offer, but he thought that it would be rude to say no. So he had to accept the post. So Raja Varma was taken aback after being granted the new post of chief minister. He did not want to accept the offer because he was not a politician. He was a painter, and he did not want to do any political work, but he accepted the position politely out of respect for the king. Now post is an important job, like we have post of a chief minister, post of teacher, or post of postman. We can also call it position. As chief minister, Raja Varma tried his best to fulfill his new duties, but his various plans and actions only led to confusion everywhere. Raja Varma was, after all, only a painter. He had never handled matter of the court. He was an intelligent man who realized that he was doing things the wrong way. but he did not know how to solve this problem. Raja Varma was a talented artist by profession, but due to Krishnadev Rai's command, he was compelled to perform the duties of handling the matter of court. He did not know much about the handling court matters apart from painting because he was a painter. But he was very smart. He realized that he was not carrying his duty properly, but he did not know how to carry his duty properly. He did not know how to solve this problem. Fulfill. The meaning of fulfill is to do what is required, and Raja Varma was not fulfilling his duty. He was not doing what was required from him. The king, however, continued to support him. The people were angry, but they did not want to say anything that would upset their king. Finally, the town elders decided to seek help from the king's jester Tenani Raman. So the king rewarded Rajavarma the post of chief minister, but he was failing at his duty everywhere. But the king continued to support him. And after becoming the chief minister, Rajavarma was unable to perform his duty at the court. And this makes the people angry because the people were feeling helpless. They did not know what to do. They cannot say anything to the king because king had appointed Raja Varma the chief minister. So they all decided to go to town elders, and people and all the town elders decided to take help from king's jester Tenani Raman. And what did Tenali Raman do and how did he solve this problem? We are going to learn, or we are going to find out in the next video. Now homework is to read this lesson and learn all the difficult words. Thank you for watching this video.